Hello everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to prepare one of Nigeria's most loved meals, pounded yam and egusi soup. These are the ingredients we'll be using today: yam, melon seeds, palm oil, peppers, onions, crayfish, smoked fish, stockfish, locust beans, and seasoning. First, I'll peel the yam and wash it thoroughly before cooking. Now I'm boiling the yam until it's soft enough for pounding. Next, I heat the palm oil. This is how we build flavor. While the yam is cooking, I'll grind the egusi seeds to prepare the soup. Now I add the ground egusi and stir gently until it combines perfectly. Now the yam is soft, so it's time to pound it until smooth and stretchy. And there we have it, delicious homemade pounded yam and egusi soup. Thank you for cooking with me. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, follow, and share. See you in the next video.